All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Dodge Challenger. It is a Dodge Challenger. This beautiful black interior, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, dual exhaust system, 7,000 miles in this vehicle, backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your grill is cracked right there, as you can see. 3, 6. Actually, this is not your grill. This is called something else. It's got a little cracking here as well, and another little crack over here. The rest of it looks pretty good. Your fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is over 7/32. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. And this rear driver's rim looks good. I don't see any curbing on that. Tire thread over 7/32. I do see a little ding right there. You can see it on the camera as well. It's got your you got nice shuttered roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Likewise on your second row, no holes, no tears, no rips, and does come with an armrest with cup holders back there. Push start system does come with 2 key fob combos. An owner's manual still wrapped up in its package. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Very nice. So, of course, steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. The instrument cluster, as you can see, no lights on or any issues, except for it does need some gas. And your mileage of 7,003 miles. Looks good. Get moving here. All right. Let's see, open up the trunk. Coming around. Heavy scratch here, 3, 6. Wow, that heavy scratch is just on the edge there. I'll say 10 or more, just engulf that. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your deck lid looks nice. Here's your rear trunk space. Oh, I left the, of course, you got your spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals back there. This is, of course, what your trunk space looks like. Very nice. Got a nice shot of your spoiler. Super sweet. This quarter looks great. Here's your rear driver's rim, rear passenger rim, and I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread is over 7/32. This door looks fantabulous. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row, or near the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips back there. I said only 7,000 miles. This fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim and your tire thread over 7/32. Lights are working, things are running, folks. Once again, this is a beautiful 2018 Dodge Challenger with only 7,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.